Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y91, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access System and Updates. Following that, click on Language and Input, your default keyboard, in my case Microsoft, and typing. As you can see, all text correction options are available over here. To manage them, click on the switcher next to chosen feature, or click on it and select one of the available options. If your default keyboard is Celia, after tapping on it, click on Input over here and manage all of those options the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!